So today I got a new child. Let's clean him up. What you will need is paper towels, cleaning spray, and a magic eraser. Maybe a regular eraser as well. He's dirty, let's start.
Hey guys, okay, so got a new child today. Let's open her. Okay, so the first thing that we have is the child, and she's got a cute little dress on. It's pink and teal. She's got a teal little heart. She's got blue eyes and brown hair. And that's what she looks like from the back. She has the original Bailey instructions. She's got the stethoscope. She's got this cat thing, which I actually lost Bailey's. There's the little cat. And it says Baby Alive on the back. It's pink. She's got this thermometer. It's teal. There, you can kind of see it a little bit better. She also has this diaper, and then she's got, where is it? This. It's the little looky-in thingy. I forgot what it's called. So yeah, bye.